All right, Doug. I removed the obstacles on the cat balls. And one did go off as we were, well, not we, as I was testing them out to make sure they were easy to touch. It was this one right here. Was that you that did it? It was me. As I was messing around, I must have bumped it. That was me. Okay, yeah, because I think if you really do tap it, well, or not. You sure it wasn't you? Seriously, are you sure it wasn't you? I don't know, people. Because again, as I was doing doot 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 doot, this one turned off, but then it turned back on. Wow, maybe it was him. Aw. And maybe it was just unfortunate for me just to see people. Aw.
It's difficult.
Oh, it's difficult. Really? Hmm.
Enemy.
You're holding on to that ball. That should be going off. You're holding on to that ball. Were you holding on to it? So again, when you tap these balls, they don't go on and on and on and on and on. I think he was holding on to that. Dog, thank you! Oh my gosh, he finally figured it out. Oh, so it was him. He did it earlier when I was playing around with the balls because I felt like maybe they were just too much. Being in a situation with the obstacles of having in the jar and that little placky thingy. So now that we removed the obstacles, it looks like he figured it out. Did it take a lot of energy though? Yeah. Well, again, thank you. Again, I think he was holding onto that ball. You can confirm you were holding onto that ball before you touched that one. Can you go in a strong yellow if that was true? He's like, I can just activate another ball. To prove to people, it was not me. Yay! Yeah, so again, he held on to that one. And so I touched it, and then finally he figured out that he can also do that one. That was nice. Yay! And now he's making little taps. Oh, never mind, that was my cat. Awesome.